channel, you guys. This will be a sponsored video featuring Beeos hair. Now they did decide to send me their ombre color bob, so this is the colors in the unit, just so you guys can see what is going on here in this unit. Now this unit is about 14 inches, and then also it is a 13 by 4, so meaning you can move the hair over to the side if you want to. You could do an updo look if you want to, whatever you want to do. But of course, I decided to do a middle part. Now, I do think that this unit would have been really bomb in a side part. Like, I can definitely see it by the way the wig is customized and the way it flows. It flows so good. Yeah, as you guys can see, I did go ahead and bleach the knots as well. This hair did take that bleaching very, very good. Now, there are already waves in this unit. When you do cold wash it and then it air dries right into a naturally wavy unit, which I really, really love the waves in this unit, because not all wigs have like a natural wave that looks really, really like a wave all the way through the hair. So that's what I really, really loved about it. But I did want to curl it a little bit just to see how it did, and it did really good. When the curls actually, some of them failed because I did do like some tight curls in it, but I left some waves like at the bottom. It just ended up flowing right into the hair. So if you want to curl this unit, definitely do that, because when they fall, it's gonna give that one look. So I was gonna layer the bangs a little bit, but the hair is already short enough. I don't even feel like you need to do anything to this unit. You don't need to layer it or anything. The only thing, if you want to do anything to it, is just to curl it, because look at this. And then look at all the highlights in this hair. I actually think me curling the unit just really brings out all the color that they decided to put in this hair. It is so freaking gorgeous. And the unit, look how full this is, you guys. It fits my face so well. Yes. Before we jump into this video, you guys, make sure if you are new, you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit your post notification bell so every time I post, you do not miss an update.
And you see this bandana hanging, that means I'm like a bandit, like a bandit. I got paper, girl, the Lamborghini with the spider seats. You never seen it, so get it, shout it. We walking like pimping in my dome, and I know what you want.
Guys, so the first thing that I want to talk about, which I said in the beginning of the video, is the way this hair is just flowing and how full it is. Like, you guys, it's not every day that you get like a shorter unit, especially shorter units, because I've ran into shorter units that weren't full enough for me, and I just feel like if I'm gonna get a short unit, it has to need the short unit to fit my face. Everybody's face is different, so I'm much bigger than what I used to be, so my face is fuller. So when I gain weight, you guys, it comes everywhere, like literally. So yes, this bob definitely fits my face, and I feel like the more I'm putting my fingers through it, the more it's like showing the fullness in this beautiful hair. Like, I sprayed some Got to Be glue in it as well, some Got to Be glue spray in it, just to, you know, just to hold these like curls that I put in the hair, and then just keep it flowed going a certain way. So it's definitely holding. As far as this lace goes, you guys, I do think that the lace is very transparent. When you see the lace, you guys, the lace is very much like, it's definitely a clear lace, but I definitely think once you go ahead and blend it in, and then also I use the combination. I use the Almighty Ghost Bond Glue, which I'll have that in my description box. So I use the Almighty Ghost Bond Glue, and then I'll also use my Got to Be glue spray to also glue the remaining of the lace down. Now this is a lot of lace, you guys. Like, I feel like even with me adjusting the straps, I feel like it was a lot of more, I still think it was a lot of room. So if you're gonna wait, actually, I don't even know. Did I do my adjustable strap? Okay, so I don't know if I put the adjustable strap over my head, you guys, but they did attach an adjustable strap. And then they also have the adjustable straps that's already connected to the lace. So just in case you do have that extra security on the wig, I don't know if I put that on there, but maybe that's why they put that adjustable strap on there, because there's so much like lace, and then like it's still room. When you feel the lace, you'll know once you put the lace on your hair, you're gonna be like, it's like still a lot of room in there, but that's what the adjustable strap is for. So, and as you guys can see, like I stated before, I did go ahead and bleach these knots. I definitely felt like that really helped the unit, so I would definitely suggest that you bleach the knots with this unit. And then also you can use some type of concealer or some type of powder, just if you feel like you're secure with the wig just being bleached, that's fine. But if you want to just have more security, just to feel like, you know, it's blending, you could definitely add some concealer. I did go ahead and add some NARS concealer, the one that I put on my face. I just put it on the hairline. Y'all cannot stop putting my hands through this hair. It's just giving like that one messy, just curly look, and it's gorgeous. As far as baby hairs go, you guys, now I was supposed to put some baby hairs in the front, but it didn't end up working out. So I just have my baby hairs, you know, just on the side, and then have it on this side. So I have my baby hairs, and then yeah, with the baby hairs, I feel like it's very easy for those to come out. All you have to do is, you know, trace the hairline. Like literally, this wig is customized just for you to pull out baby hairs, and you know, everything just blends, you guys. I'm telling you, like, I feel like anybody who gets this unit, you're going to love it. It's just one of those messy curls, Farrah Fawcett type of vibes, like, yes. And then look at these colors. These colors are definitely beautiful, especially for fall is coming up. Yes, this is giving, okay? This is giving. This hair does have a yucky texture feel, for sure. It really feels more so on the natural side, which I really like. Like, you can definitely tell it's more so of a yucky. It definitely looks like it. Not too silky, definitely just more so on the natural side. As far as this unit fitting, being big head friendly, small head friendly, I believe that it's both. I think anytime you have an adjustable strap along with the straps that are already on there, you can't go wrong. I feel like no matter what, the wig is going to fit when you have that band on there. Like, the more I put my hands through this hair, you guys, the fuller it gets. Like, if you're a bigger head girl like me, this is definitely, well, even if you're a smaller head girl, like, I don't know how big people like their hair, but in this case, this is definitely the unit that you'll definitely want this type of look, because the more I put my hands through it, the fuller it gets, the more volume it's given. Like, this hair is it. I'm telling you guys, this hair, the color and everything, it definitely goes with my skin tone. Like, oh my god. Now you guys can purchase this hair from BEEOSHAIR.com. Now this unit will run you for about $200, around that range. I definitely feel like it's worth it. Do you guys see? I don't even have to show you guys any more than I've already have. Like, why wouldn't you want to get this unit? Okay, this unit is gorgeous. Look how I'm just putting my hands through it. Oh my god. Like, this will be the end of this video, you guys. Make sure if you are new, you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you're hitting your post notification bell so you don't miss an update. Make sure you like this video, comment below, share, and I will see you guys on my next one.